Now that I had the progression ignition installed, the next thing to do was take it out for a test drive. The first thing I immediately noticed is the engine is much more snappy. It really likes to pick up and go. That was a welcome sight to have that happen. The other thing that I didn't expect as much is that the engine just runs smoother. I didn't really realize that it wasn't as smooth, but now I can definitely tell, especially at like a steady RPM, very, very smooth now. You can barely feel it running. These changes aren't totally surprising. Anytime an engine has much better timing, it's got proper advance, you definitely should see the engine run both smoother and give you more power. I think there's still plenty of room for me to make some adjustments. I was pretty conservative on my initial ignition table, keeping the spark advance relatively low, but I can certainly increase it now, and we can see if it gets even stronger. If you look at the top right area of this chart, you can see that I've got max advance set at 35 degrees before a vacuum comes on, and that's at 2750 RPM. I'm looking forward to adjusting the timing, and of course when you make changes to the timing, it just requires more test drives. So thank you for watching.